Hey, and welcome. I'm your boy Solo. In this video, I'm going to go over how to create a Windows install USB media device. After you plug the USB stick in, go to your folders, find it in here, right click it, and format. Make sure that you format it in a FAT32. Make sure that is selected. The file system must be a FAT32 for the BIOS to select it. You can name it whatever you want. We'll call it junk, just so that it switches, and click start. Click OK. After it's done, you're ready to go. Click close, close that, and next, for this we just need to go into Google, search Windows Media Creation Tool. The top one here should be Microsoft. You should download Windows 10 disk image. Click there, scroll down, it'll say the update assistant here to update to the latest version of Windows 10. But we want to go to download tool now. Should only take a second. Once it's downloaded, give it a click. Click yes. Close everything out, and then it'll say getting a few things started. This will take a few minutes to load up, but it shouldn't be too long. Next, it's going to ask you some stuff. Just click accept. Create install media USB flash device. Click next. Use recommended settings for this PC. Click next. You'll want to use a USB drive, so it's the very first one. You don't want the second one unless you're going to burn a CD. We'll use the first one. Click next. We'll double check to make sure that our ESD USB is the correct one. Select the drive that you just put in. Make sure it's the drive that you put in, and then click next. This here is going to go through a downloading process and make the files. This should only take a moment. I'll be back in a second. Alright, after your USB flash drive is ready, click finish. This will just take a few minutes and close. After that, you should see it here, all done. Perfect, looks good. And there you go, all the settings should be there. Now all you have to do is restart your computer, go into your BIOS, change your settings so that your boot drive is selected to the USB drive, and install Windows. If you think I forgot or left something out, definitely leave it in the comments below. And if you like or found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up and get subscribed for more content. Thanks for watching.